My name is Matt Richards. I own and operate a company called Echo Mobiles out of Portland, Oregon. We design, build, and install suspended sculptural elements. So for this project, to install it, the first thing was to get the individual points up in the ceiling. We lay out a template on the ground, and then it's a matter of getting cables up to those points, using the lift to go up and down to do that, and then to start hanging the individual elements, and then getting all the heights just right so that they don't run into each other and they have that visual we're looking for.